Welcome to the channel, everybody. Hey, today I'm going to do a little video, kind of an expedition. I wanted to go check out a friend's house that's under construction. So I took off and I got up to about 125 feet and began to head on over. If you'll see, I've been moving along pretty good. Got to pan out on the map. Oh, strong wind warnings abound today. It's about 16, gusts to 17, 18. So here I am heading out. You can see over the field, out in search of the neighborhood where the house is. Okay, you can see that I am heading about to turn. I was going the wrong way. Now I'm headed straight towards the destination to get some photos. And we look and turning and entering on in. Here we are. As we can see the house appear in the video, I'm gonna head over and pop some quick photos. I'll switch modes here momentarily. All right, we're going in, selecting the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the shots. So you can see we're increasing altitude, getting the necessary photos that we need, and are getting ready to begin our trip back to the home point. Still taking some pics. I'm getting more wind warnings. Normally if you just lower your altitude a bit, they'll go away. Still taking a few more pictures and preparing to head on back. Okay. Just kind of maneuvering around, getting the shots that I need. And we prepare to head back. You can see that the map, I'll bring it up large again on the controller. And I'm following basically the path I came in on, that red line. It's a great way to self-fly your way back to base. And we're gonna pick up speed here and head on in. Thank you so much. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and we're gonna be coming in for a landing soon, so if you have any comments, please put them in below, and remember to please hit that subscribe button and follow the channel. And here we are on final approach, back home safe and sound. And I actually returned home without using the return home feature, just self-flew. Okay, thanks for watching.